stunning new listing in Mount Dora, Florida. Don't miss out on this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage Pensacola model. With loads of upgrades and an oversized backyard, this home is an entertainer's dream. Perfect location, no rare neighbors, and plenty of room for a huge pool or playground. Built in 2019 and move-in ready. This home is waiting for you. Sheny Alladin here with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I can't wait to take you on this home tour.